everyone, it's Rachel, and today I will be talking about making the Copycat Crumbl Cornbread Cookies. If you've been on TikTok or in the food realm recently, you will know that Crumbl Cookies is all the rage, so I decided I had to give one of their recipes a try. And as we get started on this recipe, I want to give a special shout out to Priority Chef who sent me these stainless steel mixing bowls. The best thing about these bowls is that it comes with a silicone bottom that gives the bowls so much grip, so when you're mixing, folding, or stirring things together, the bowl doesn't slip around or move. Definitely check out Priority Chef. I'll leave the link to their website in the description box below. Alrighty, back to the recipe. We've just mixed together all of our dry ingredients, and the way we achieve that sort of cornbread flavor is by using cornmeal. Now we're going to go ahead and whip up our butters and sugars together until light and fluffy. I will say that these cookies are definitely on the lighter and fluffier side, so they're more of a cakey cookie rather than a dense cookie. Now we'll go ahead and pop in an egg, some vanilla extract, and some honey to really make sure that honey flavor comes through in these cookies. We'll blend that together and then we'll go ahead and slowly incorporate our dry ingredients and then mix until just combined. You don't want to overdo it. This recipe also calls for butter flavoring, which is like an extract, and I didn't have that, so I just went ahead and used a little bit more vanilla than usual. Once we've got our dough and it's all come together, we'll go ahead and scoop it out about a tablespoon or two. I know Crumbl cookies are pretty large in size. Roll them up and then pat them down flat before popping them in the oven. We'll bake them off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 9 to 10 minutes and then put them on a wire rack to cool down. As you're waiting for the cookies to cool, now is the best time to get started on that honey buttercream. So we'll get some softened butter, then we'll add some powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and also a little bit of honey and whisk that all together. I cut this recipe in half for the buttercream because I knew that this would probably be pretty sweet, so I didn't want to put it on every single cookie that I made. And now don't do what I did, which is put the buttercream on a warm cookie and watch it slide off. Definitely wait for your cookies to be cool before you pile on that buttercream frosting and then drizzle it off with a little bit of honey. And voila, there you have it. This is a copycat recipe for the Crumbl Cornbread Cookie. Alright, I'm here to do the taste test for the Copycat Crumbl Cornbread Cookie. So I made the cornbread cookie as well as put a honey buttercream. It is kind of melting if you can see here, so I'm just gonna dig in right away. And to preface this, I have never been to Crumbl Cookies before, so I don't know how this is gonna taste. Alright, let's give it a go. Cheers! Oh wow. Straight up just a ton of sugar. Like this is very sweet. I don't know if this is like what it's like at the Crumbl Cookie store, but this is a really good cookie. It's got a lot of honey flavor to it and a little bit of cornbread flavor to it too. But this is a little bit just too sweet for me, and I have a huge sweet tooth. So I think I would do without the buttercream and maybe just drizzle on some straight honey. And I think that would be perfect for a cookie. Take a quick look at that cross section. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week with an all new one. Bye everyone!